Hey y'all, welcome back to my garden. Welcome back to my garden. Today, we're diving into one of my favorite crops, tomatoes. And the secret to growing the best ones is all about the right companions. Let's meet the Tomato Dream Team. Let's talk about companion planting and how to create a thriving ecosystem right in your garden. We're starting with a superstar, a fragrant friend to your tomatoes. First up, basil. Basil, the classic tomato companion. It's a partnership celebrated by gardeners for generations. But why do these two plants thrive so well together? Basil's strong aroma naturally repels pests like aphids, those tiny sapsuckers that can weaken your tomato plants and spread disease. And whiteflies, another common garden nuisance that can quickly infest your precious tomato crop. Basil acts as a natural deterrent, keeping these unwanted visitors at bay. Acting as a living shield for your tomatoes, basil creates a protective barrier, reducing the need for chemical interventions and promoting a healthier, more balanced garden. Tuck basil plants right between your tomatoes. When planting, give the basil enough space to grow, but keep it close enough to the tomatoes to maximize its protective effects. For a dense, beautiful, and effective planting, consider interplanting basil throughout your tomato patch. This creates a vibrant tapestry of flavors and aromas that benefits both plants. Some gardeners swear basil even improves tomato flavor, making them sweeter and more aromatic. It's a subtle enhancement that elevates the taste of your homegrown harvest. I'm one of them. There's just something about the combination of fresh basil and ripe tomatoes that makes my taste buds sing. Whether it's myth or magic, a real scientific phenomenon, or just a perceived benefit, my tomatoes always taste better with basil nearby. And that's reason enough for me to keep them close together in the garden. Skip the chemicals. Embrace the power of natural pest control. Let basil do the protecting, creating a healthy and thriving environment for your tomatoes to flourish. Plus, you'll have fresh basil for all your summer recipes. From caprese salads to pesto, the culinary possibilities are endless. Plant it generously, don't be shy. The more basil you plant, the more protection your tomatoes will have. And let it grow lush, providing ample foliage to deter pests and enhance the overall health of your garden. Basil and tomatoes are more than kitchen partners. They are a match made in culinary heaven. They're garden allies, working together in perfect harmony to create a thriving and productive ecosystem. This is the first and most essential member, the cornerstone of our companion planting strategy. Of our Tomato Dream Team, a carefully selected group of plants that will work together to create a healthy, productive, and delicious garden. So when you plan your patch, as you sketch out your garden layout and dream of bountiful harvests, make room for basil. Don't just squeeze it in as an afterthought. Give it the space it needs to thrive and protect your tomatoes. It's a simple step for healthier, tastier tomatoes. A small investment that yields big rewards in the form of a more productive and enjoyable garden. Let's keep building the team, adding more allies to our tomato patch, and creating a vibrant ecosystem that supports healthy growth and abundant harvests. Next, let's talk about marigolds. These vibrant flowers are more than just a pretty addition to your garden. They're a powerhouse of protection and support for your tomato plants. They're often called the golden guardians of the garden, and for good reason. Their bright, cheerful blooms bring a sunny disposition to your garden, but their real magic happens beneath the soil. Their roots release chemicals, a natural defense mechanism that benefits your entire garden ecosystem. These chemicals are particularly effective at protecting tomatoes from nematodes, microscopic worms that can wreak havoc on your plant's root systems. Nematodes are those invisible root destroyers that can stunt growth and reduce yields. They feed on the roots, weakening the plant and making it susceptible to disease. To harness the power of marigolds, plant them strategically around or among your tomatoes. This creates a protective barrier, a natural shield against these harmful pests. This creates a safe zone underground, allowing your tomato roots to thrive without the constant threat of nematode attacks. A healthy root system means a stronger, more productive plant. But the benefits don't stop there. Their scent also deters pests like hornworms, those voracious caterpillars that can quickly defoliate your tomato plants, and beetles above ground, keeping your precious tomatoes safe from a variety of unwanted visitors. Marigolds act as a natural repellent, reducing the need for chemical pesticides. At season's end, don't just discard your marigolds. Till them into the soil to release their beneficial compounds and enrich the earth. This will boost next year's soil health, providing a nutrient-rich foundation for your future tomato crops. It's a sustainable way to improve your garden's overall vitality. Marigolds are hardworking, beautiful, adding a touch of sunshine to your garden while diligently protecting your plants. They are an essential part of a thriving tomato patch, contributing to the overall health and productivity of your garden. They're more than just pretty faces. They're a vital component of a healthy and balanced garden ecosystem. They're your tomatoes' bodyguards, standing watch and protecting them from a variety of threats, both above and below ground. So add a splash of color and a whole lot of protection to your garden with these amazing flowers. Marigolds are a must-have for any tomato grower looking to maximize their yield and minimize pest problems. Let's move on to our next teammate, another valuable ally in the quest for the perfect tomato harvest. The dream team is coming together, each member playing a crucial role in creating a thriving and productive garden. Ready for another powerhouse? Let's discover the next essential companion plant for your tomatoes. Garlic, your tomato's secret weapon. Its strong scent repels spider mites and other sap-sucking pests. Plant garlic cloves around your tomatoes for a natural pest barrier. Garlic's sulfur compounds also help prevent fungal diseases like blight. Healthier soil, fewer pests, and a bonus garlic harvest at season's end. It's a win-win for your garden and your kitchen. Garlic quietly boosts resilience and health. Add it to your tomato patch for a double dose of protection. Let's meet another garden ally. Let's explore a plant that's not only beautiful, but also incredibly beneficial for your garden. Meet borage, the beautiful helper. This unassuming herb is a powerhouse of benefits, especially when planted near your tomatoes. Its vibrant, star-shaped blue flowers are more than just a pretty sight. They act as a magnet, attracting pollinators from far and wide. Bees, butterflies, and other beneficial insects flock to borage, creating a lively and productive environment in your garden. And it's not just pollinators that borage attracts. It also draws in a variety of beneficial insects, the kind that help keep unwanted pests at bay. More bees mean more tomatoes. It's a simple equation. With increased pollination, your tomato plants will produce more blossoms, leading to a bountiful harvest of juicy, delicious tomatoes. Beyond attracting pollinators, borage also draws in predatory wasps, nature's tiny guardians of your garden. These wasps are always on the lookout for their next meal. These wasps help control hornworms, a common tomato pest that can quickly decimate your plants. They lay their eggs inside the hornworms, effectively eliminating them and protecting your precious tomatoes. By attracting these beneficial insects, borage creates a healthy, balanced ecosystem around your tomatoes, reducing the need for harmful pesticides and promoting natural pest control. Some gardeners believe it improves tomato growth and vigor, leading to stronger, healthier plants that are more resistant to disease and produce even more fruit. Its deep roots mine minerals, reaching down into the soil to access nutrients that might be unavailable to other plants, enriching the soil for neighbors. As the borage plant decomposes, it releases these minerals back into the soil, making them available to your tomato plants and other nearby companions. Plus, borage flowers and young leaves are edible, offering a unique cucumber-like flavor that can add a refreshing twist to your culinary creations. Toss them in salads for a burst of color and flavor, adding a touch of elegance to your everyday meals. Or drinks. Freeze them into ice cubes for a visually stunning and subtly flavored addition to your favorite beverages. Borage brings beauty, with its delicate blue flowers adding a touch of whimsy to your garden landscape. Protection, acting as a natural bodyguard for your tomato plants by attracting beneficial insects and deterring harmful pests. And flavor to your garden, offering a unique and refreshing taste that can be enjoyed in a variety of culinary applications. It's a must-have for a thriving tomato patch, a true companion plant that will help you achieve a bountiful and healthy harvest. Let's keep building our dream team of companion plants, each playing a vital role in creating a thriving and sustainable garden ecosystem. Next up, a root-level architect, a plant that works wonders beneath the surface, improving soil structure and nutrient availability. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on creating a thriving and harmonious garden. Carrots, the underground architects. Their deep taproots break up soil, improving aeration and drainage for tomato roots. Plant carrots a little away from tomatoes to avoid competition but maximize soil benefits. Healthier soil means stronger, more resilient tomato plants. Plus, you get a bonus carrot harvest. Carrots and tomatoes work together below the surface for a better garden. It's a smart use of space and a win-win for your harvest. Let's add another clever companion. The dream team isn't done yet. Here comes a beautiful decoy. Nasturtiums, the beautiful decoy. These vibrant flowers lure aphids and whiteflies away from your tomatoes. Plant nasturtiums as a sacrificial barrier around your tomato bed. Pests flock to them, sparing your main crop. Remove infested leaves or spray them off. No need for chemicals. Nasturtiums are edible too, with a peppery kick for salads. They add color, flavor, and natural pest control. A selfless hero in the tomato patch. Let's round out the team with a subtle defender. Chives, the subtle defender. Their mild onion scent repels aphids and other pests. Plant clumps of chives around tomatoes for a gentle, effective barrier. Chives may also boost tomato health and flavor. They're perennial. Plant once, enjoy for years. Their purple flowers add beauty and attract pollinators. Divide clumps to spread the benefits around. Chives are a low-maintenance, high-reward companion. Now let's wrap up our dream team journey. That's the tomato dream team. Basil, marigolds, garlic, borage, carrots, nasturtiums, and chives. Each brings unique strengths, creating a thriving, resilient garden. Companion planting is about connection, support, and delicious results. Try these partnerships in your own garden and watch it flourish. If you enjoyed this, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more. Until next time, happy gardening.